Dear children, welcome to chemistry class. Today's topic is chemical reactions. In this topic, we learn about chemical reactions and characteristics of a chemical reaction. A change that takes place when elements or compounds react with each other under different conditions to form new products is known as a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is another term for a chemical change. The representation of a chemical reaction using symbols or chemical formulae for the reactants and products is known as a chemical equation. Reactants and products may be elements or compounds. The atoms in the molecules of reactants and products are held together by strong force of attraction, and the force of attraction is known as a chemical bond. The atoms in the molecules of reactants and products are held together by chemical bond. A chemical bond is the strong force of attraction between atoms in a molecule. Let us study the characteristics of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction may show characteristics like evolution of gas, change in color, formation of precipitate, change in state, or change in energy. Let us see the evolution of gas. Gas is evolved in certain chemical reactions. For example, see this equation, Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. Magnesium, when reacts with sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfate and hydrogen are formed. Hydrogen is the gas evolved. See this next equation, Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zinc, when reacts with hydrochloric acid, evolves hydrogen gas. The formation of gas is indicated by bubbles. The formation of gas is indicated by bubbles if the reaction is taking place in a liquid medium. The evolution of a gas in the form of bubbles is known as effervescence. The evolution of a gas in the form of bubbles. The formation of gas bubbles in a liquid is known as effervescence. The formation of gas bubbles in a liquid is known as effervescence. When you add baking soda to a small amount of vinegar, you can see brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence is observed when vinegar is added to baking soda. This is the characteristics of evolution. This is one of the characteristics of a chemical reaction, that is evolution of a gas. Next one is change in color. Certain chemical reactions results in change in the color of the reactants. When copper carbonate is heated, copper oxide is formed along with the release of carbon dioxide. Copper carbonate is green in color. When green colored copper carbonate is heated, it changes into black colored copper oxide and a colorless gas, carbon dioxide. We have the equation. CuCO3 gives CuO plus CO2. CuCO3 copper carbonate, that is green in color. When it is heated, we will get CuO copper oxide, which is black in color, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is released, which is a colorless gas. Today's topic is chemical reactions. Next one is change in state. In certain chemical reactions, the physical state of reactants changes. For example, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine to form water, which is a liquid. 2H2O plus O2 gives 2H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen are gases. When they combine each other, forms water, which is a liquid. Here, change in state take place. Reactants are in the gaseous state, but the product formed is in the liquid state. Another one is ammonia and hydrogen chloride gases combine to form ammonium chloride, which is a solid. This is a reaction in which two gases combine together to form a solid substance. Ammonia is a gas, hydrogen chloride also a gas. When they combine each other, it forms a solid substance, ammonium chloride. So here gaseous reactants combine to form this solid product. Here also there is change in state. Today we learned the characteristics of a chemical reaction. I hope you understood the lesson. Winding up for the day. Thank you.